Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share the famous Malabar dish which is Irachi Pathiri. It has layers of rice cake and beef filling. Let's see how to prepare this Irachi Pathiri. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of raw rice and 1 cup of Siraga Samba rice. Siraga Samba rice gives nice flavor to the Pathiri. Clean the rice nicely in water and soak it in hot water for 2 hours. Meanwhile, I'm going to prepare the beef filling. Take 500 grams of boneless beef in a pressure cooker. Add in salt as needed. Add in 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of fennel powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. I have taken boneless beef. Mix all the ingredients and pressure cook the beef. The cooking time depends upon the quality of the beef. For me, it took 9 whistles to cook the beef. The beef is cooked well. I didn't add any water, but you could see more beef stock here. Cook the beef until the beef stock drains completely. You can use mutton as well instead of beef. The beef has drained perfectly. Cool it and grind it in mixer grinder. Just grind it in pulse mode for 2 to 3 times and make sure not to over grind it. In a pan, heat 2 teaspoons of coconut oil. Add in half a teaspoon of fennel seed. Add in 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Saute it for a couple of minutes. Now add in 3 finely chopped onion. I have used medium size onion, so if you have big onion means you can use 2. Add a little salt so that the onion cooks faster. Once onions are cooked, add in quarter teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, quarter teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of pepper powder and quarter teaspoon of fennel powder. Mix all the ingredients until the raw smell of the masala powders goes off. Add in quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder. Finally, add in the minced beef. Saute it for 3 to 4 minutes and the filling is ready. You can use the same filling in samosa as well. This tastes best. Delicious beef filling is ready now. Next, I'm going to prepare the rice batter. The rice is soaked in hot water for 2 hours. Take half the quantity of rice in a mixer grinder jar. Add in 1 egg. Grind it into a smooth batter by adding enough water. This should be the consistency of the batter, so add in water accordingly. Now add in the remaining soaked rice. In goes half a teaspoon of fennel seed and a fistful of coconut. Grind all the ingredients into a smooth paste. Add in salt as needed. Totally took nearly 1 cup of water to grind the batter. Mix the batter nicely. I'm adding a little more water, so this should be the consistency of the batter. So add in water accordingly. I'm going to make Irachi Pathiri in this pan. Grease it with oil on all the sides of the pan. I have taken a steamer and the water is boiling inside the steamer. Place the pan in the steamer. First add in a thin layer of batter. Spread in a layer of beef filling. Spread the filling evenly like this. Make sure the filling doesn't touch the corners of the pan. Cover it and steam it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add in the second layer of batter. Basically, we have to add the batter and the filling and steam it, so we have to repeat the step. I'm steaming it again for 2 to 3 minutes. Pour in the third layer of rice batter. If you add everything in one go means it wouldn't cook inside. Moreover, we need to get separate layers of rice cake and the beef filling. That's why each time we are adding a layer of batter and the filling and steaming it. Finally, pour in the remaining batter. You can make as much as layer as you wish. Steam the Irachi Pathiri for 30 minutes or until it's cooked. I have also prepared Irani Pola, which is famous Malabari dish. It has a chicken filling and I'll share this recipe link in the description below. Irachi Pathiri is cooked well. The cooking time depends upon the number of layers and the size of the pan. Just insert a toothpick and check. If it comes out clean means it's cooked. You can also use chicken, mutton or beef filling to make this pathiri. Delicious Irachi pathiri is ready to be served now. You could see layers of rice cake and the filling. Do try this authentic Malabari dish and share me the feedback. Subscribe my channel for more recipes. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.